Grace to you and peace from God our Father and the Lord Jesus Christ. I just got this in the mail. This would be my Concord. I'm sorry. This would be my Cambridge Cameo. So we will open it together. As you can see, I definitely just got it. It's raining outside. It's melted most of the snow, which is a good thing. Lola Bola. Good dog. Anyway, it's raining, so you know I just got it. Hopefully that doesn't get on the Bible. So I really need to get a tripod camera or something. I'm using my iPhone 8. I'm sorry. It's an iPhone XS Max, I promise. I don't know why I said 8. I've never even owned an 8. I owned a 7 before this. Where that came from, I'll never know. Hey, that's kind of nice. Don't have all those little styrofoam peanuts everywhere. Oh, there's one. There's a few down there. I'm excited and nervous about this at the same time, guys. Because I have a feeling it's going to have inconsistencies like the Concord does. But I shouldn't be worried about it because the Concord is still my top reader right now. It's just portable, beautiful. I don't have to worry about. So here we go. Just did a photo shoot for you guys that are on Everything Bibles and on KJV Preferred. Posted one other spot, I think. Oh, Cambridge. Try to post this link as soon as it uploads to those websites as well on Facebook. Facebook pages is what I should have been saying. So we have here the Cameo Reference Edition. In Classic Cambridge Bible, the KJV Cameo Reference Edition combines legibility and elegance in a convenient format. Cambridge's Cameo Bibles date from the 1920s and have been a familiar form of the scriptures for generations of readers. Red letter text, references, presentation page, concordance printed on ultra-thin, smooth, and opaque lightweight paper, map section, 2 ribbon markers, art gilt, red under gold pages, sewn binding enables the Bible to open flat. We'll see how flat it opens right away. The Concord I had to break in a little bit, but it lies flat now. Goatskin leather cover, edge lined in traditional style. There's a ISBN number if anybody wants it, in case you want to go try it on Amazon. I got mine from Evangelical. There we go. A little shaky this morning, evidently. I opened it backwards here. Feels about like the Concord did. A little rough to the touch. Beautiful though. Kind of like that it doesn't have the Holy Bible here. It is perimeter stitched. I hate when they shove the ribbons in there though, because sometimes it creases the pages a little. Now you have Holy Bible, King James, Cambridge, tooled hubs just like the Concord. 5 of those. I don't think these are as pronounced. The Concord kind of stick out a little bit, even though they're. So you got the synthetic inside liner, just like you do on the Concord. You get their 4 centuries of craftsmanship card here. Anybody that's watching this and hasn't seen a Cambridge yet can pause that and read it. And likewise on the limited warranty area. It is edge lined. Looks like it's done well so far. And now we're opening it together. Here's the presentation page. This is comparable to something that is really familiar. Pit Minion. Pretty sure my Pit Minion has the same presentation page. A little sticky there. Kind of worrisome, wasn't it? Don't feel anything. Doesn't see any crinkles. Seem to be any crinkles, excuse me. It is actually, see, you can see, sticking together. Must be where the gilt is at, I hope. Yep, that's what it is. So probably going to be sitting here for a while getting those pages unstuck, but that actually gives me a chance to look at the consistency before I do my review and let you know what I think. So here's Cameo. Pronunciation marks. Stop pronouncing text again. This is a quick look at, overlook at it. Typeset, 8-point petite medieval Clarendon, 1159. Epistle dedicatory. Names and orders of the old books of the Old and New Testament. So far, very bold. Definitely a little smaller than the Concord. I'll probably use that in the comparison and my review, just so you can see the difference. Definitely smaller. Still bigger than the Pit Minion. So I see here, looks a little odd. Me, the signature, I'm sure. Concord kind of did the same thing at first. Kind of tell now that there's going to be somewhat inconsistent, only because here's one ribbon, nice pretty cardinal red. That's why I don't like them sewed into there. And I will fix these ribbons before I do my review. What's the top of the ribbons look like here? Headband, yellow and gold here. Oh, world's better than the Concord already on that ribbon part there. So far so good. Guys, try not to make this really long. Here's the red. I can give you a comparison of the turquoise with this. This seems to be a little more bold, blood red. Still not disturbing. It's actually pretty nice. There's that. Concordance. Just a real quick run through. I'll give you the dimensions and all that here in a little bit. So that was my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will look this over so I can do a thorough review. Thank you for watching. God bless.